In this video, I wanted to show you guys how to find the z-score of a normal distribution given an area under the curve. So this video is different from the last video in that with the last video, you're given two z-scores in lower bound and an upper bound, and you're trying to figure out the area of the curve. But this is the inverse of that. So what do I mean? Let's look at a sample problem. So in this problem, I'm given the area, this shaded part, is equal to 0.95. But I don't know the z-score, so I want to find the z-score for that. To do that, I want to access my distribution functions, and the function that I want is inverse norm. So if you remember, the normal CDF would give me the area if I have a lower bound z-score and then an upper bound z-score. But this one, the inverse norm, is the inverse function of that. What do I mean? What I want with this is the input. I know the area, but I want the z-score. So I know this area, but I want this z-score. So here, I'm going to put the area that I know, 0.95 in this case, push enter, and the z-score here corresponds to that point which separates 0.95 area from that area. And that's it. The only thing that you have to be careful about is that this z-score, just remember, this z-score from the inverse norm function would give you the z-score that corresponds to that cutting point of the area that you inputted. In this case, the area was 0.95. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know, shoot me an email, ask me in class.